What is going on, beautiful people? It's your real estate go-to, Diante. Here, as always, in Clermont, Florida. And I'm going to be honest with you guys. This is like one of my favorite houses, period. Okay? You guys are going to see what I mean. But check this out. It's a 3 to 4 bedroom, depending on what you want. 2.5 to 4.5 bathroom. 3-car garage. Covered lanai. 2,600 plus square foot. Beautiful home that is Diante's biased opinion, his favorite home, okay? So without further ado, let's check it out. And you guys let me know if you guys like it as much as I do, okay? Let's go. Boom, so there you guys have it. Absolutely beautiful home, right? That's why I love it so much. But listen, my contact information is gonna be right here. Don't hesitate to reach out, guys, if you wanna set up that private showing or simply get the process started, okay? And always remember, in real estate, there are only two people that can get you exactly what you want, okay? That's D and you. Talk soon, guys.